going to Legoland, Malaysia. Funny story na siguro gusto siya pabalikin sa Singapore.
Maaga kami nag-start yung pick-up Changi, Terminal 1. So 8:15 yun, kaya maaga kami umalis at 6 a.m. and we're waiting for our bus.
Yeah, pag umaga, sobrang lang, wala masyadong sasakyan.
Sarap ng picture.
Tanggalin mo na yun, wala naman point.
We used the Red Bus app in booking our transportation from Singapore to Johor Bahru, Malaysia. We booked a total of 643.50 pesos or 14.89 Singapore dollars per person for a two-way ride.
Changi yung pick-up point namin going to Legoland. Terminal 1 kami. Map talaga, ang laking tulong ng Google Maps, Go There app. May label naman lahat, so lakad-lakad lang hanggang sa makita mo yung pupuntahan nyo. Bus kami, pero meron din palang Transtar. So, going to Johor Bahru din yan. Etong bus pala na nasa harap namin, ito na siya.
Pakita ko.
Nag-book lang kami through Red Bus, pero Transtar cross-border bus. Nag-accept din sila ng cash, so pwedeng walk-in.
Make sure to arrive as early as you can so you have enough time to navigate, look for the right bus, and to settle down. Make sure to keep your ticket with you because you will be presenting this to the driver after going through the immigration. Travel time is around 47 minutes. Make sure to prepare your Malaysia digital arrival card the day before your trip.
Okay, make sure na huwag kayo matutulog pag dumaan ang immigration ng mga kayo. Tapos mabilisan lang, 15 minutes lang to scan your passport and you have to look for your bus app. Okay?
Yeah.
Nakarating na kami.
As soon as we arrive at JB checkpoint, we exchange some of our cash to Ringgit Malaysia so that we have enough money for Grab, eSIM, and food inside Legoland.
7-Eleven, nagbebenta ng easy. Tinutulungan niya kami i-connect. So, nag-grab lang kami using the Grab app na meron kayo sa phone. It works here. Pero yung pangbayad, we are gonna pay in cash. Nagpapalit na kami doon sa main checkpoint.
Yes.
20 minutes going to Legoland from the checkpoint.
Dito tayo dinarap ng Grab. And I think maglalakad pa tayo ng medyo malayo papunta sa entrance. Okay, nandito na kami sa Legoland. Papasok na sa entrance.
11 a.m. na. Tagal sa immigration ng Malaysia.
Medyo mahaba ang pila. Madami kaming kasabay na papuntang Malaysia galing Singapore.
Ano man tinanong sa atin sa
Sa akin, halos wala na. Sabi lang, are you guys going together?
Oh. Kasi
Sabi
ako
ko,
yung unang
yes.
tinanong.
Yun lang.
Tinanong lang
Yes
kailan
lang, sabi
babalik.
ko.
Yeah. Kailan
Okay.
babalik Singapore, kung saan pupunta dito sa Malaysia, yun lang.
Pero just make sure na meron pa rin kayo ng
Malaysia arrival card.
arrival card.
Kasi yung ibang wala, pinapipila ulit sa likod.
Yeah, yung isa nasigawan pa. Funny story, nasigawan siya, gusto siya pabalikin na Singapore. If you don't plug in your email, go back to Singapore. Sabi nung
Yung iba masungit, yung iba okay naman.
yeah.
Okay.
Yun lang naman.
Di pa kami kumakain, guys.
Ay, nagsasalita ka pa pala.
Yeah.
Okay, ito na ang Legoland. Sea Life Malaysia. Pero hindi kami pupunta dyan. Sa theme park lang kami. Nagpe-present muna kami ng ticket para makapasok kami. I think dito din naman yung exit. So, see you guys later. Here's their locker. Very Lego colors. And you just have to like put some details to have some access. Ito na ang Lego Castle. Lego Castle ba ang tawag nila dyan? And we're just gonna go here. Tignan natin ang entrance. I think ito yung Lego Hotel. Parang Lego Hotel siya. Kasi may parking, andyan yung parking. Ito yung mga huge Lego characters. Daan lang tayo dito sa to feature the entrance. Okay.
We booked our ticket for the theme park through Klook. We paid 2,516 pesos each for the entrance for the theme park. They are open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. but make sure to also check their website on the day of your tour because operational hours may vary.
Hey, remember to stay on your left side, alright? Stay on your left side. Good job, everyone. You guys did a very great job so far.
This is our first ride here in Legoland. Lahat. Halos may kasamang bata.
Kaya kami lang yung
Kami lang wala.
isip bata.
Chill. Is the shipyard perfect for kids? This
Another ride. Everything is lining up. There you go. Angas. Wow. Wait ka lang. Dito ka lang mamaya sa radio.
Ay. We don't know. Uy, oh. Roblox to.
Naka-play na yan.
Hello.
It's a huge Lego.
Legoland Malaysia has kid-friendly rides and extreme rides as well. When we went there, the weather was so warm and humid, so we skipped some rides and chose the ones that we think we will enjoy.
this is 7 ringgit. Ito din around that price, 40. Basta ang total nito, nasa 91 ringgit. Ayan. Nasa 1,100 plus. Ang refilling station, no?
Yeah.
Kasi nga, right?
Yeah. Maybe lagyan.
We were able to go around the theme park in less than 3 hours, so after lunch we decided to give our feet some rest before going shopping. Sadly, we didn't find any water refilling station within the theme park, so make sure to bring your water with you or prepare some cash for bottled water.
This is his heaven. So many amazing items that you
Lobo,
can
pwede
find
siya.
here.
Tumingga.
Actually, parang mas affordable dito kaysa sa Universal, no?
Yeah.
So, kung fan ka naman ng Lego, I think it's gonna be worth it na dito mamili. Medyo pricey talaga sa Universal but it's Universal Studios. So, pero mas dito, mas affordable yung ibang items. Ang hinahanap talaga niya dito is yung luggage kasi wala talaga siyang luggage. Naka-backpack lang siya going here. So, may nakita naman kami yung Lego luggage which is around 5,000. Lego suitcase that we are talking about. Kaso ang choices na lang for color is purple, gray, and black. For the walkathon, ang mga person, chinek lang namin lahat ng shops. Hindi kasi lahat same yung items. Merong mga items na nandun sa small shops na wala dito sa big shop. Pero ang ending, dito pa rin kami bumili sa big shop. 2:15, let's go!
We are going to shop!
This is what we're getting. A Lego suitcase. This is how it looks. Nasa ano pala siya? 470 ringgit. Nasa 6,100. And these are for the pamangkins. Minimum 370. One spin. We get 2 spins.
Mystery gift. Another one?
Wow!
Spin
Spin again. Okay, 1 mystery gift. Sulit naman.
After shopping, we just took some photos and then we booked our Grab going back to Johor Bahru checkpoint. The usual pickup point if you're coming from Legoland, Malaysia, is at the lobby of the hotel. We actually thought that this area is the lobby of the hotel, but it's actually on the other side.
This is one.
If you are not a check-in guest inside the Legoland Hotel, you are not actually allowed inside the premises. But the security guard allowed us to pass through just so we can go to the lobby area. Well, I guess we are lucky enough to have a glimpse of how it looks like inside the Legoland Hotel.
Kasi ang layo, ang haba ng lakarin from dropping point namin from Legoland to here. Oo, going here. Sa mall naman. Connected yung mall na malapit dito sa bus station. 3rd floor. Follow nyo lang yung CIQ.
Yeah, ayun lang. Hanap kasi kami ng exit papunta dito.
Pwede magtanong kayo guys kapag hindi nyo alam. Anyway, ang init dito. Tsaka may iba-ibang bus dito. Feeling ko kapag hindi ka nakapag-book ng bus, pwede ka
Mag-walking.
mag-walking, tapos bayad ka na lang.
Yeah.
Mura lang.
Meron naman ito sa transfer.
Yeah, parang mga $2 or 2 to 5, yeah. Okay. Current situation. Going back to Singapore
Yeah.
from Malaysia. Kainit. At nag-quote pa nga si ate.
Bago tayo nasa Pilipinas. Alam mo talaga. Same lang na ng time.
And just like that, we are back in Singapore before the day ends. If you find this video helpful, please leave us a thumbs up and subscribe on our channel for more travel vlogs. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!